Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into FastBridge account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in auth.fastbridge.org and press enter on your keyboard. FastBridge combines computer adaptive tests and curriculum-based measures to screen students, identify skill gaps, and offer proven recommendation for reading instructions and diagnostic reading interventions. Once you end up in the official web page of FastBridge Learning, go ahead and enter your username on the left-hand side of the screen. Head over to the next field and type in your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the request password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in both your username and password, click on the login button to get access to your FastBridge account. That is how you can easily log into FastBridge. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.